Welcome to Thunder Nerds. I'm Brian Hinton.
I'm Janelle Pizarro.
And I'm Frederick Philip Von Weiss. And thank you for consuming the Thunder Nerds, a conversation with the people behind the technology
that love what they do.
And do tech good.
We're doing tech. Hey, everybody, we are at DevFest, Florida 2019.
In Orlando, Florida, at the Contemporary Resort.
Oh, yeah. That's
Disney.
Yeah.
Magical.
It's magical.
It is.
And today we are joined here with Vikram Tiwari.
Hi, everybody.
Hey.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining us, Vikram.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Vikram, for our audience, tell us a little bit about who you are. What do you do?
Sure. Hi, everybody. I'm Vikram. I do a lot of cloud and machine learning. I have my own startup based in San Francisco. We are called Omni Labs. We are building automated browser for everybody to use. Yeah.
For everybody?
For everybody.
Automated browser?
Yeah. So it's kind of think of all the tasks that you do every day. You are repeated in a sense.
Yeah.
So you should be able to automate those. Why do you have to go every day and do the same menial task? We are trying to free up that for you. So you train a machine on your browser to learn what you're doing, and then that machine can perform those tasks for you in whatever schedule you want, wherever you want to do it. And you can add more logic on top of it. Like if it fails here, let's try this approach. And machines sometimes can figure that out for you as well. With advances in machine learning, all of this is now possible.
So you mean it will perform actions in the browser for
Yes.
you? Oh,
yeah.
that's awesome.
Think of automated testing, but for doing your work.
Like Selenium, yeah.
Selenium, yes.
Selenium for humans.
For humans,
yes.
yes.
Love it.
Yes.
That is amazing.
That's awesome.
And not just for testing, for all of your everyday work. So you can do anything. Like if you guys are publishing these videos on a set schedule, you can set a recipe. We are calling these recipes.
Yeah, that's fair.
And you can set as a recipe to say, okay, I want to schedule this at 12 a.m. So it will copy the file from your Google Drive, upload it to YouTube, and hit on send. And
So you can get an
yourself.
automatic, you can get an automatic like text from Frederick that says, Janelle, hey, send your audio, because you don't do that like all the time, every time, right?
Yeah.
It'd be great.
Yep. All you need to do is create that once, and it will automatically keep doing that. And it is very resilient. It will go about, like if it finds any errors, it will go about fixing them itself. And yeah, it's pretty good.
That is nifty. So is your talk today about machine learning?
Kind of, it is. Today's talk is about machine learning. Yes, today's talk is all about end-to-end machine learning. How do you get started with learning and what is machine learning? Then how do you start on a small data set? Then how do you build it up to cloud and deploy it onto cloud? And how do you keep running this loop over and over again so that your models are always fresh, you are using the best data sources, and your models are like, because that's right now, everything depends upon how quick you are on your iteration cycle, because machine learning is evolving very fast.
Yeah.
And to make sure that you are running all the time and like always the best model out, those are the things that we are talking about today.
Cool.
Yeah, be sure to come out for the talk.
Yeah, today you are talking at 3:10.
Yes, I think everything has shifted for 20 minutes, but yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah, something
Maybe
like that.
3:10, 3:30.
Just come in
It's
there.
fine.
Yeah.
Just show up.
What
Go
is
in
some
there
of,
and wait.
what are some of the things that people might not know about the subject? That you would think you would know everything, but
Yeah. So that's why we try to do always from the very beginning of like, how is machine learning different from the programming that we have been doing until now?
Yeah.
And how should you start even thinking about what is a model? And how do you get started with like solving your problem, fitting it into a machine learning problem, and then go about using the tools that are already available? Because with computer science in general, there are so many tools out there that at times you don't even like understand where to begin. And for that, it's very important to understand what is your problem, how does that problem fit into a machine learning problem, and then get started on using the tools that are out there.
Do you feel like in your specific like use case, you want to like almost have everything be machine learning?
It is true, yeah.
How do you go about kind of like narrowing your focus, because this is a lot that you're doing even for your company Omni Labs.
That's true. Yeah. So for us, it started with saying that, okay, what are the things that a human can actually do? So humans are very good at understanding page layouts, and like if you change your website a little bit, you can easily understand that this is the submit button. It is green generally. It's on at the end of the form, and these are the fields that are in there. I have to check mark these forms. These are like very human understandable things. And with advances in deep learning, it's very easy to not very easy. You need data to train all these things, but it's easy. It's becoming easier to understand what is what. And with that, you only need to add more engineering on top to make it work. But it's becoming easier to understand what is what. And so the basic problem it's understanding what are you trying to solve. I guess it's like the same thing on everything.
Yeah.
Yes, it's the same technical challenge with everything that you are trying to build. But understanding what exactly is the problem that you're trying to solve, then it becomes easier to what tools should I use? What kind of techniques should I use? Yeah, you guys might be interested, like our code isn't open source, but if you're interested in something like this, you might be able to check out Dino. There's a very cool project on somebody trained the Dino on Chrome. If you go offline, they have a Dino in there.
Dino game.
Yeah.
Somebody trained a machine learning model on that to play that game. And it's awesome. It does that all in real time.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's like a really cool game to learn.
And
Yeah,
so it just plays.
just
and
plays
wins.
and beats you every time. You can't go above that score.
What?
Yeah.
Has to happen. Need that in my life today.
Yep. And it's very easy project. You can set it up on your machine. It runs. Yeah. I also have some demos, but not as cool.
Oh my goodness. We're doing that today. We're all having like lunch and we're gonna all play this Dino game together.
That sounds wonderful.
I'm on it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, do you guys have any more questions? I know we got to cut it short because we ran out of.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Oh
No, it's totally not your fault. You're totally fine.
We'll have to get you on the show and
We get to hear more about you.
Definitely.
And on your labs and everything you're doing.
Yeah. That works.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
thank
Really
you.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Folks.
And thank you, everybody. We got more coming up just a little bit.